Hi there, and welcome back to AI Lifestyle, where we make the exciting world of AI simple, especially for beginners. I'm Mustafa Arbab, and today we're building something truly special, your very first AI model. Don't worry, no coding, no experience needed. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. So, what's an AI model anyway? In simple terms, an AI model is a system that learns patterns from data. Imagine teaching a young child to recognize the difference between cats and dogs by showing them pictures. The more pictures they see, the better they get at recognizing each animal. AI works in the same way, except it processes lots more data, faster than we ever could. AI models are trained on data to make predictions or decisions. Don't worry, today we'll walk through a super simple example that you can follow right along with at home. Now, we're going to use an awesome free tool called Teachable Machine. It's a website that lets you create AI models without any coding. Just a few clicks, and you're on your way. Teachable Machine is perfect for beginners because you can build an image recognition model right in your browser. You can even train your model with your own photos, which makes it fun and interactive. So, let's get our hands dirty, virtually. We're going to create a model that recognizes two objects, a cup and a pen. You can choose anything around you, but for now, grab a couple of common items. Teachable Machine lets you take pictures of these objects and use them as data. Let's start by clicking the Image Project option, then we'll label two categories, cup and pen. Laughing. Don't worry, the AI isn't judging your photography skills. Alright, now we're going to train our AI model. This is where the magic happens. Based on the pictures we've uploaded, the AI will try to learn the difference between a cup and a pen. Teachable Machine will process the images, and in just a minute or two, our model will be ready. Isn't that exciting? No math, no coding, just click and go. Moment of truth. Let's see if our AI can tell the difference between a cup and a pen. I'll hold each up to the camera and see what it predicts. Wow, it works! How cool is that? In just a few minutes, we trained an AI to recognize everyday objects. You can now experiment with different objects around your house. Try fruit, books, or even pets. And there you have it, your very first AI model, built without any prior experience. This is just the beginning. AI is powerful and can be applied in so many fun and useful ways, from recognizing objects to even creating art. Next time, we'll explore even more ways to use AI in your everyday life. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to AI Lifestyle for more simple and fun AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to teach your AI to do next. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI. It's easier than you think.